Nikolai. Oh, no. You're not hungry? Oh, wait. You want your water? Watch out, people. They want to get their shot.
You might think that this train has like 50 cars. It actually only has 10.
No, they're residents.
But they're smaller train cars. See the 10 sign up there? We still have 10 train cars, it's just they're much smaller. So that's why we're not.
I'm gonna take a good guess.
That's where you stop.
Delta's gonna be pulling in when we get to 34.
After 10.
Take a good guess. Delta's gonna be pulling right in.
I know you said.
Nah, give it to 47.
But since the cars are smaller.
You just say donut.
We're talking about the former spot at 34. 34 is more than 47.
You don't need to talk about when it's going this fast, we don't really have to go for our gears. Because there might be construction workers. That's going to go slow.
Actually, that's what
What's the run time for this?
4 round trips.
No, just one full run time. Is it like
30 minutes.
30? Okay.
Looks like we only have
layup track for about.
Looks like we only have
They actually put this in the layup? They don't.
See, we
Yeah,
only
they gotta
have
make
8.
room for the slow.
For the queue train.
Yeah,
See, we only have
I'm sure they
8,
can serve the
and
queue off
that's
one
it.
track.
We actually only have 8.
It's ridiculously slow. It's slow on weekdays, but it's ridiculously slow on weekends.
Because stuff that
No, little kid come through. Okay, come through.
Rail fan are in the house.
Oh, good.
Real fans.
I wonder who's driving this train. Oh, man. I know. This
I got a good one.
I've been on an R160 and it's like so new compared to this. The R160 is on the F. This train used to be on the F. Until they replaced it. Now they saved an R1. And I think we're coming up to the next stop. We're going really fast. You know all the trains have
You
different.
guys are talking about Jason Anthony.
If you're lucky, you can.
Bros, the tracks still need attention.
Yeah.
Something that the ordinary fans don't look at.
And the Delta's still about to arrive in 1 minute.
Say
Donut?
42nd.
Well, still, we got 34.
It's still kind of early.
It was a 42nd.
I wonder why people little. 34th? I see a light coming this way. It looks like a D.
Yeah, thanks.
You need to step in though.
What's your name? Oh, it looks like an F. Well, this is an F train. This is an F train. Oh, it was a D. Yeah.
Oh, Delta's on both sides.
That's a D.
Donut.
This is the F train.
Yeah, is that I
Well,
call
some
every
cars,
letter
like the
9
ones
now
at the very
by
back,
food.
is an S train.
Well, that uptown
No, it says S because it's a special, but it's still an F train. It's not an F line. So we get a lesson to that, and then it's going to run on the queue.
Probably.
Then we're going to take it back. Are you going to go in the front car or the last car?
That's not gay.
Yeah, I love the first car. So no, still on the road.
No, Frojo. I know that you guys
light on. If like your lights
Yeah, I
on.
know.
Oh, Kaji!
These have special things.
Wait,
Over there, like
no,
or like you can put your hand in it, and then things will light up and it'll make a sound.
Yeah. Oh, you know you can cross the cars on this train?
What?
You can cross the cars on this train.
Oh, I think
So if you were to buy this train, it would be the same cost as
Yeah. But if you
Hey,
were
Evan,
to
how
buy
are you
a
doing?
160, it'll be
How are you
just
doing,
like
Hudson?
$2.
Yeah, not good.
because the train is
Nice
so
purple outfit.
fast that you can
about to go for the 7 train.
as bad.
Well, the bag can be
No,
moved.
the R160s are a little bit faster, but it's still a fast.
We'll move the bag.
It's like the R160s are basically.
I know.
You can sit there if you want.
The
He needs to
R179
go on.
is like basically a model.
I got you, buddy. I got you.
of the
Right. Lean up against Evan, okay?
Did you check out the new trains? Did you check out the new trains?
They were trying to on the F. No, the F has those blue and silver trains too.
You know what? I actually was about.
Yeah.
That's the high.
I've even been on one on the F.
Hey, Evan.
yeah, just a punch for this.
They're actually kind of fun.
Step back and let Hudson get up front, okay? All right? Go ahead, Hudson, you get where Evan is, okay? And Evan, will just
I had
not really a good spot. All right. What about the other kids? Are we all good?
Yeah.
Kids, you all good? All right. And I'm gonna hold you, buddy. All right. Just make sure Hudson's safe, okay?
This one
Let's
must
go for the IRT lines. They're all numbers.
If you fly off the train, that'd be cool.
IRT lines.
You like to
except
go,
for-
you
Fall out
like
of
to
the
powder the
train.
place.
Get rid of it.
I know, but you get to like see what color the springs are. The R68s are blue, but the R160s, they don't have the springs. Oh, we switched tracks to the Express.
You know what happens? Don't worry about it. I know what happens.
That must have been
Yeah. This must be going to Lexington.
I
See the station. See the station.
I saw the egg car.
They always want to rock and roll. When they
There's a guy named Mason in the back. In the back of this car. This is the original IND subway, the hardcore. What is that 50th Street,
No, this is 57th Street.
57. Wow. The F and this train is 57. Look, the station's almost brand new.
Thanks.
Yeah, 57, Lexington Avenue, 96, December 2nd. 56. So if we're on this train, so this train is actually cheaper than the other trains.
What?
Okay.
Why don't they use this train all the time?
Well, because like they have to replace them because if these get too old, they may break and they may cause them fly into the track if they run them over.
And also, guys, if people throw trash into the tracks, it causes fire also.
Yeah, that happened on the B train.
Yep, and I'm of those who watches that very carefully.
Yeah, the tracks still need attention back there and over there.
See?
Wow, this train could get caught on fire anytime.
just caused on fire. We don't want that. We could die from that. Switching. I love when the lights turn off. You saw my Christmas or Hanukkah? Both. I saw my Christmas. Me too. But I also love the Hanukkah when Noah was in the train. I love dancing the whole lot. It's really fun. I like the trails. Yeah, they're so fun to spin. Lexington. This is one of the new stops. Yeah. I already went to. Yeah. I like working it. You know what I like doing on this station? Dancing. No, sometimes people even give me money. I like dance on the poles and you know those performance guys on the queue? I like copying.
Hudson, are you better now? Yeah. Okay, good. Are you good, Evan?
I mean, the orange wall still exists if you go all the way back that way. I feel like going up that school.
And this train won't even exist if this train has been dumped. So luckily they saved the not one.
They better not. That's the only originality this station has left.
Last year.
Watch it, guys. 2nd Avenue, here we come.
Let's go!
Yeah.
IND Subway. IND. You know I just always get my train. I really don't like when they go around first. It makes me sound. I think this is the World Trade Center.
No, this is 72nd Street.
This is so far away from World.
2 more stops.
Oh, wait, not.
Yeah, I
We
really
got
hate the
86 and then
E-train.
96
How was
and then
number
we're getting off.
New Year's Day?
Alright, so Hudson, we got 2 more stops. 86th Street and then at 96th Street we're gonna get off.
And then I just
Well, we're all gonna have to get off and then they're gonna take the train and they're gonna turn it around and
Yeah,
we'll be able to get it later.
but I wonder if this car will be in front.
It will.
Ooh, I love you. I will.
You're still gonna have to get off, but it'll still be the same car.
I'm really glad that
I don't know what we're, I don't know. Hudson, are you okay?
I don't like these things. But in Lexington, I like dancing, and then like sometimes people give me $1. Yeah, and when I get $1, like people are like, ooh, ooh, and then like I turn off some music, like I could do that for bomb and laugh and do something about my this world. Gonna shoot a while on that people done it, done it, done it, something done it, what the stuff done it, so what done it, done it, something done it, could have what the house. That's what the someone done to do. What someone done to go. Someone done to go. Someone done to go. On you, what on you, man. Start rocking us. Can't play that the good on a live and two. Done the live, yeah, put a on ya. California. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I love them though.
Look at that Jamaican set.
My favorite's Ken.
Your powers.
Sit down.
What?
I guess they're not enforcing the no tripods rule.
We're gonna ride
I like how people are slowly getting on the Q-train, like,
I know, I see right over there.
And 96th Street will be the next and last stop on this train. That will go, we have the discharge, go to the relay position for another departure at 11 o'clock.
Are you gonna be in the front car next time? Huh? I hope I am. I'm gonna be in the front car watching. I'm gonna be watching the front so that it'll be on TikTok next. What stop is next then? It's 96. I feel the air.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hudson, you